if you want to know how to download your own videos from your YouTube channel. Stay tuned and watch this short video, and I will show you how to do this. But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video. Hi there, and welcome back to channel From Zero to Millionaire. My name is Krzysztof, and in this short video I want to show you how to download your own videos from your YouTube channel. You think now why I spoke about this topic? It's simple. You are upload your videos on YouTube channel and you lost or accidentally removed original files from your device and you don't have access to this file. So you want to download this file and get this back. YouTube software has easy way to do this, so take a look on my channel and I will show you how to make fast and very simple this task. If you want to download a video from YouTube channel to your device, you need to go to YouTube Studio. You can select this avatar, what you have logged. Now you go to YouTube Studio. From this page, you go to Content section from left menu. And now we see all files, all videos what we have uploaded to YouTube channel. And if you want to download, select movie what you want to download. For example, I want to download this file, this video from 600 for free. So simply select these three dots in one line, and here's a button download, and simply push download. Wait a couple of seconds, and like you see, downloading was begin. So there you go. That's simple way to restore your original file from your YouTube channel to your device. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.